are at Cabarlah this morning at the beautiful Black Forest Hill German clock shop. And I've been dying to show you this place ever since we started doing the show, I guess. We stopped at Oikos. I hope that is the correct pronunciation, guys, for the coffee shop in Ipswich this morning. A fantastic breakfast, well worth stopping in there before you hit the road. So we're approximately an hour and a half, just maybe an hour and 20 minutes in the saddle. We'll get you here today, or if traffic conditions are good. But I want to show you where I'm standing, and you can probably hear in the background some of the clocks chiming and ticking and that sort of stuff. And I've got some great photos to show to you while I'm here. But have a look at some of these beautiful, beautiful wall clocks. But the thing that brings me, and right on cue, the beautiful old grandfather clocks that are on display. Now I can't fit one of those in my saddlebag, but maybe I'll bring the truck back at some point. That's the clock shop. We are on to another very special destination. I'm going to come back to you shortly. Stay tuned. I did promise you something super special. So we are at the Farmers Arms Tavern, which is the oldest surviving pub in Queensland, almost 160-year-old. We're out the back at the moment, and have a look at what I found. It's an old jail cell. Look, the bars, the lock, you would be spending the night in there for sure. I'm not going to, and I'm going to try hop down off this veranda without breaking something. Okay. We have had a sensational day. We're an hour and a half, hour and 20 minutes from the Ipswich CBD. We've been to Oikos Cafe in the main area of town in Ipswich. We've been to the beautiful old German clock shop. We've been to this beautiful old historic hotel. I'm going to put up some photos. There's some magic scenery to be explored. We came up through Murphy's Creek. I'm going to throw a map up for you. We have had a sensational day. I'm looking forward to seeing you somewhere out in what we like to call the 2-hour circle. Bye for now.